Okay, so 24. A college admissions officer takes a simple random sample of 100 entering freshmen. So let's start listing what we have. Sample of 100 entering freshmen, and computes their mean mathematics SAT score of that sample, right? So sample mean, the mean mathematics SAT score to be 459. Assume that the population standard deviation sigma is 111. So since I know the population standard deviation, it's known, this is going to be a z distribution, a z interval, a z confidence interval. If we didn't know the population standard deviation, it would be t. So construct a 95% confidence interval. So that significance level is 95% for entering freshmen. Okay. Okay. So let's go look at the formula for a z confidence interval. Chapter 7. Z confidence interval for means. T confidence interval is if we didn't know. Remember that? We didn't know the population standard deviation, but we do. So here's our Z confidence interval. So X bar minus the Z alpha over 2 value times the standard error of the mean. That's the lower bound, and the upper bound is just X bar plus Z alpha over 2 times the standard error of the mean. We have all the information we need besides the Z alpha over 2 value. And remember, we can go to the T distribution, 95% confidence interval, go down to the T distribution. There it is, 95% confidence interval, go all the way to the bottom. 1.96 is that Z value for a 95% confidence interval. So X bar is 459 minus 1.96 we just found. Sigma 111 over the square root of n, which is the square root of 100, which is just 10. That's the lower bound of what our population mean should be. 459 plus 1.96 times 111 over the square root of 100 over 10. Okay. For this calculator, let's see, 459 minus 1.96 times 111 divided by 10 is just 11.1, right? Right? 111 divided by 10. Okay. So 437.244, and let's do second enter and change that to plus. So 437.244 hear that ambulance passing. The other is 480.756. Okay, so this is the 95% confidence interval. That means we're 95% sure that the real population mean is between these two values.